This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get UI kits for Adobe XD. UI kits are fantastic resources that offer a collection of pre-designed elements, helping you build user interfaces much faster. Think of them as a toolbox filled with ready-to-use buttons, forms, and navigation components. They are essential for maintaining a consistent look and feel throughout your design projects, saving you dozens of hours of work. Let's dive into how you can find and utilize these valuable assets. Finding UI kits is easier than you might think. A great starting point is Adobe's own website, which often provides a selection of free, high-quality kits directly from the source. Beyond that, the design community is a treasure trove. Websites like Behance and Dribbble host thousands of free and premium kits shared by designers worldwide. You can also explore dedicated marketplaces such as UI8 for a curated collection, often featuring hundreds of unique options. Once you've found a UI kit you like, importing it into Adobe XD is straightforward. Most kits come as a single XD file. Simply download this file and open it directly with Adobe XD. The kit will open as a new document. From there, you can easily copy any component you need, like a specific button or an entire navigation bar, and paste it into your current design project. This process takes just a few seconds. After importing, the real fun begins: customization. You can easily modify the colors, fonts, and styles of any component to perfectly align with your brand guidelines. Remember to leverage Adobe XD's powerful component states feature for interactive elements, such as hover or press states for buttons. Finally, keep your assets panel organized. This will save you countless minutes when reusing components across multiple artboards or projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.